Hi friends, good afternoon. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class we will see how to increase the font size of the content. So we are having RU creator, right? So to increase the font size, like if you want to see this sentence in a bigger format, so how can you do it? That thing we will see in this video. And how can we hide this thing? How can I hide this thing? How can I hide this thing? So we will also, that thing also we can see in this video. And how can you unhide uh, the hide thing? So that thing also we will see in this video. So totally three things we will see in this video. So the first one is to increase the font size, to increase the font size. So as you know, we have a paragraph tag with ID answer, and in that we are having RUI created, and we have created a button type button, and after on clicking, it will be changed into the uh, it will be changed into the no I am Iron Man. So for this we have written button type is equal to type equal to button on click is equal to document.get element by ID, and we have taken this ID here, and to change it I'm using inner HTML is equal to no I am Iron Man. So to increase the font size, just I will change this thing. That's it. So instead of using inner HTML, I will use style dot font size. Font size. The style dot font size is equal to I'll give I'll give 45 pixels. I'll give 45 pixels. Let's see whether it's working or not. So just go here, click on it, run, start debugging, and it will be created, and click on it. See, it is changing, like the font size has increased. The font size has increased. See here. So this is the button. This is the button. And like, and can I click, when I click on it, the font size has increased. The font size has increased. So this is how we can increase the font size. We can increase the font size using style.font size. And if you want to hide, if you want to hide. So what I will do is I will create another p tag, and I will give a hide id is equal to hide, and secrets cannot be revealed. So I have written something which I have to hide it. So which I have to hide it. So I will create some button here. So I'll just copy this thing, and I will create another button here. So just click here and click on the same thing. So if you want to say it, you can extend it like this. You can extend it like this, and you can see the overall interface. So here I will just change it to hide, to hide, to hide, and I will do it style dot display. Instead of using font size, I will use display function, and I will write none. So what is the meaning of none? Which means you have to, like, should not display anything. Should not display anything. So I'll just run this program again. So I'm running this. And first one is to increase the font size. And second one is to hide it. See, it is hide. It is hide. So it is hide. I hope you understand. So first one is to increase the size of the first thing. And second one is to just hide it. Just hide it. So, and now I want to unhide it. I want to unhide it. I want to unhide it. So what should I do? So just I will give style equal to none, and I will create another button, And here I will use. So I will give button here, and I will give, instead of giving height here, I will just only, like, I can do it like this. Instead of doing creating the other button, I will just change this thing here, like block. So I'll change it to block, and I have to do it here style. So I have given style. So display none. So display none. So what I have to do, like I have instead in the previously instead I have given only none, right? So you have to specify display colon none, and just the code is finished, and just do the, so just click on this thing and run, start debugging, and just click on this thing, the size will be increased, and then click on this thing. So you can unhide the thing. You can unhide the thing. So that's it, friends. I hope you understand how to change the font size and hide the things and unhide the sentence in JavaScript. So if you think this video is helpful for you, please like the video, and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefit from this video. And please subscribe to my channel, and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.